Raising your vibration can help you align with your true self and attract positive experiences. There are 9 tips to elevate your energy and become a real G. First, movement. Engage in activities like boxing, swimming, or even a brisk walk. Physical movement releases endorphins and lifts your spirits. Second, breath work. Practice deep breathing exercises. Try inhaling deeply for 4 counts, holding for 4, and exhaling for 4. This can instantly elevate your energy. Third, meditation. Dedicate a few minutes each day to meditate. Focus on your breath or use guided meditations to enhance mindfulness and clarity. Fourth, gratitude. Self-talking or sharing things you're grateful for each day. This practice can shift your focus to positive aspects of your life. Fifth, sound. Listen to high-frequency music, binaural beats, or nature sounds. Listen to positive affirmations, or even your favorite music. Sixth, showers. Take a cold shower to invigorate your body and mind. It can boost your mood and energy levels. Seventh, declutter. Clear out physical clutter from your space. A clean environment can create mental clarity and improve your energy. Eighth, aroma. Use essential oils like lavender, lemon, or peppermint in a diffuser. Scents can greatly influence your mood and energy. And last, nature. Spend time in nature, whether it's a park or a forest. Nature has a grounding effect that can elevate your mood and vibration. If you incorporate these 9 simple rules into your daily routine, after a few weeks, you will notice a positive internal and external change in your life. Share this with someone that is always negative. Like and follow for more. Cheers.